What's up, YouTube? My name is Vince, and today we have a new offering in the house. Richard, this video is for you. Roll the intro, Nick. So previously, the drill that's in this box was in the tool war on Friday evening. If you want to see that video, we'll link it here. I don't know what you're saying. Wait a minute, you said this tool in this box, it's not open yet, was in the tool war. Yeah, you heard me right the first time. I'm not going to repeat it, and I'm not even going to explain how it happens. But today we're going to unbox this thing and get it ready for the past. We got the RYOBI 18V ONE 18V Brushless Hammer Drill Driver Kit. Lithium Plus. 750 inch-pounds of torque. 50% longer runtime. One high-capacity lithium 18V battery with an IntelliPort charger. Yo, so many people on the channel have been like, Vince, why don't you give any love to RYOBI? Why don't you give any love to RYOBI? Why don't you give any love to RYOBI? Today's your day!
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Well, look who we got here. What you got there, bro? What is that? Is that RYOBI, bro? Look who finally made it to the party. TRZ out.
Look at this, over 71 plus tools. Up to 4 times the runtime. Onboard fuel gauge. You got a guy. His extreme weather performance. Guy's got a glove on. There's not a drop of snow on the tool, but you can see the condenser unit. Oh my God, it's like it was been in a snowstorm. It's unreal. Brushless improved motor performance and life. Longer motor life, more speed, more torque, more durability. And that's as compared to brushed motors. Look at it. Look it. Yo, look, it's got a little magnet on the front where you could put screws and fasteners. Pretty cool. That's what Richard talks about that all the time. Yeah, Vince, I put my fasteners on the front of my drill and all. I'm like, what are you talking about? Yeah, cuz you got to put them on the front of your drill to drive them in. What do you mean? But he puts them there to hold them. So this no low speed is 0 to 410 RPM and 0 to 1800 RPM. Beats per minute are 0 to 5400 and 0 to 23,000. Clutch is 24 position, up to 750 inch-pounds of torque. Tool weight is 3.15 pounds. We could actually confirm that. Whoa, look, it comes with a cool little bag. You know what's even cooler is that the stuff's already in there. Look at that. The RYOBI. Look at it, it's like a little lunch pail. Isn't it cute? You know what's a bummer though? Is that it's like all standing out real nice. It's because there's cardboard in there. So you got the drill, which actually feels like a nicely weighted piece. Usually the first thing to come out of the box is the instructions. But in this case, the drill came out first. Then we got the IntelliPort charger. Yo, you know that here at VCG Construction, we are highly regarded for our battery discharge time, charge times, run time. You know you're here for a good time. It's my favorite line. You're here for a good time. So, we're probably going to be using this IntelliPort charger. I'll let you know. Does it really live up to that 30-minute charge rating? You know, you're going to find out. Not today, in the future. Yo, maybe we can. Oh my God. This is how you know you scored RYOBI. When you gotta put your hammer drill handle together. Here's the battery. Some cardboard. I gotta tell you, the tool itself is nicely weighted. I got no problem. Look at it. Comes with a little bit. Clutch feels good. And why not? You have 24 position clutch. Then you have your separate selector ring for drill, driver, and hammer drill. I will say this. The selector itself is plasticky because it's plastic. But it actually feels pretty good. Not too tight. In and out of position. Nice tactile. You hear it? Hear that? I like that. I don't mind that at all. I think it's pretty nice. Then they got a little grip tape, a little rubberness, rubbery stuffness on top of the gearbox selector. That feels pretty positive too. Then the back end, and then how you homeowners have a bad tendency of like dropping stuff, you know, from off the ladder and stuff. So you got protection here for all you homeowners. Protection here at the rear. The trigger, it feels okay. I don't know. It is brushless, but it is plasticky. It's weighted nice. The battery has a little indicator there, the fuel gauge. See it came delivered with 2 bars. It just reminds me, for some reason, it just reminds me of an old school battery. I just, you know, it is what it is, I suppose. It's hefty. Not bad. I like the light pointing up from the bottom, because if you're gonna, you know, grip the tool, really grip the tool, you don't have to worry about covering the light. It's built for a human hand. This has definitely been built for the human hand. Whoa. Some assembly is required. So you can't just, well, number one, okay, this handle, unlike its big brother, the Milwaukee Gen 3, it's plastic, totally plastic. Number two, it doesn't actually wrap the tool case, to the gear case. Number three, it doesn't, you know, flip around real easy. You have to unscrew, take the bolt out, flip it around. Hashtag just saying. We're talking about a totally different, you know, obviously price level with the Milwaukee, but, you know, I don't know. It does come with a, it's in there nice and tight, huh? Maybe I have to just throw it up here. Right, Richard? There's a magnet on the front of my RYOBI. Look, there it is. So, you have to assemble your belt clip. I will say this, I mean, just for comparison's sake. Previously, I was like, oh, that RYOBI's a handful. It feels much lighter now. Okay. With its handle and its 4 amp hour battery, right, this thing's 4 amp hours? Yeah, whatever, with its battery. You're looking at 5 and 0.4 ounces. 5 pounds, 0.4 ounces. It says tool weighs 3.15 pounds. I don't know. Is that without the handle and the belt clip? What's the deal? That's more like it. 3 pounds, 3 ounces. You have to understand though, we scored this at the depot, Home Depot, at the Honey Pot, where we scored tons of tool deals. This is 4 amp hour. Okay? We've scored multiple tool deals at this one Home Depot location. We'll link the videos here from that location where we scored them. We scored this. It was supposed to be priced at $149. We got it for $119 in store. Pretty cool, right? I know. I just know how to work the magic. That's how we do it. That's how we do. We work magic onto tool deals. Width at the widest point of the tool. You seeing that?
Right.
See it?
Mm-hmm.
What's it say?
2.630.
2.630. Look at it. What are we at now?
3.172.
Wow. Overall length of the tool is 8 inches. 8.05 inches. Okay? So, I can spin it around for you.
There you go. 8.05.
It was a little on an angle. All right, then we'll. Whoa, we already broke it. Then we'll lay it down. Total height is 10.08 inches. Seeing that?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it's close enough. It's RYOBI. I'm just like. Come on, Richard, I'm joking. Don't get angry. Okay? So that was the unboxing of the RYOBI Brushless Hammer Drill. Product number 1002-098-427. I wanted to say niner, but there wasn't a niner at the end. What can you do? And then / P1813. I don't know if those numbers mean anything. And if you like not knowing if numbers don't mean anything, then smash the like button. If this is your first time to the channel and you're a big fan of RYOBI, you're probably not going to want to get subscribed. Because this is like a one-off type thing. Like, we hardly ever do RYOBI. I'm just saying, I'm being honest with you. So turn around now, smash the like button for the one video, and, you know, I don't know. I guess we won't see you on the next one. And everybody else, I appreciate you being here. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one. Is it over? I know what you're thinking. The video can't be over yet. I mean, there's gotta be more, right, Vince? Well, there is more. We're gonna show you how you can win $500 worth of tools if you enter our contest by clicking the video over here. When you're done doing that, you can click the video down here for some more entertainment, or click the video up here. If you love our content, love our channel, and love our style, make sure you get subscribed over there. Everybody, have a great day.